this is my testing for my computer science project. So I'll start off with the first test, initial board setup. So I'll just run the code and see if all the pieces are in the right positions. Yep, okay, so I can pass that. Okay, so I need to check for the time it ticks down for the moving player. So it's currently ticking down for white, and then if I make a move, it ticks down for black. If I make a move, it ticks down for white. Okay, so that's passed. Piece movement, so I'll check all the piece movement. So I've checked one move for the pawn. I'll try maybe, and then I'll try the knights. Then I'll try the rooks. I'll try the bishops. And I'll try the queens. And I'll try the king. Okay, so all the pieces can move. So I'll pass that. Capture move. Okay, so I'll check for a capture. So I'll capture a piece. So where can I capture? Okay, I can't currently capture anything. But if I go here, oh, okay. Seems to be an issue. So I'll fix that. Okay, so I'll put that. Actually, made a move. It crashed. So I'll put that back to fail. Okay, what did it say? Okay, I'll check what the error was again. So if I just make some moves. Collection was modified. Okay, so it seems when it's retrieving the legal moves, the piece list has been modified. So I'll go through my move methods. So I know that is legal move without check doesn't edit the piece list. Yeah, okay, and then does this one edit the piece list? No. Okay, that check. For each piece and pieces. It doesn't actually alter the piece list. Okay, self-check checker. Okay, so this method simulates moves, so this could be the potential issue. So I'll see what is going wrong. Um, Pieces don't remove. Okay, so I might actually have to make a temporary list. So I'll just do list piece new pieces newest piece and then pieces. Alright, so this is like a temporary list. And then I'll just put new pieces. And wherever the pieces are, I need to change it with new pieces. That's 2 bits. Okay. So let's check this. any errors. Okay. What's the next test? Capture move. So I need to simulate captures and see if it correctly does it. And the sound effect plays. So you can hear the move sound effect, and this is there's a capture sound effect, so we know that plays. And it captured the pawn correctly. So if I put my queen here, actually if I put it here, the knight can capture it, so yep, okay, pass that. Okay, so illegal move handling. So can I make illegal moves? Well, yeah, not with knight, and then what if I, yeah, okay, what if I leave that here? What if I try and move into check? Okay. And it's white's move, so I can't move through pieces. If I try and move a rook like a bishop, nope, can't move off the board. Yeah, I'll check for castling as well. So if I move the rook back, I've moved the rook, so I shouldn't be able to castle. Oh, okay, that seems like an error because I've moved the rook. So I can't castle, but then move the rook back. No, I can. Okay, so I need to fix that. Something wrong with this is my update method. Castle. This is my castling. Where do I... okay, so when the king moves, says king has moved, and then in the move methods, no wait, that's the wrong one. If rook has moved, it's false, or if king has moved, it's false. So I need to change that. So I need to add if current piece is rook dot has moved rook. What was it? Current piece. So we give this one a fail, but I'll check if I fixed it. And I'll check for the king moves as well. Multiplayer. Okay. Okay, let's just say I want to. If I move the rook, oh, it's black's move, so let's just go here. Move the rook. Oops. Move back. And then it's black's move. Okay, so I can't castle. Now let's check for the king moving. So this rook hasn't moved yet. So it should give me the option to castle. Okay, so it does. Let me check if I move the king. Will it let me castle? Nope. Okay. So we can move on to the next objective. Check display. So I'll make a move that leads to check and see if check is indicated. So check. Okay, so we can pass that. Checkmate logic. So I need to check whether if someone's checkmate is indicated. So let's go. Um, okay, so I'll do fool's mate, quickest checkmate. Okay, black wins because he checkmated white. And I'll do the same for black. So I'll just move this one. Okay, so white won because they checkmated black. So I can give that a pass. Stalemate detection. So I'll check for if there's no legal moves for either player. If there's no legal moves for a player on their turn, then it's a draw. So I'll just trade all the pieces. Okay, that can't move. Okay, so if I move here, the only legal move for the king is either to capture. So I'll go here, and then king can move there. Now if I push this pawn, the king has no legal moves, so it should be a draw. Okay, so stalemate is correctly evaluated. Resign. So I'll check if both players can resign. Okay, so it's black's move. If they click it, white wins. Okay, and then it's what's that? I'll just make a few moves. Okay, now it's white's move, so I'll check if they can resign. Okay. Win, loss, draw, display. Oh. Okay, so I'll check if they can offer a draw. So they can by clicking this button, but since there's only one mouse, they'd have to agree. But if they decide to click it, it results in a draw. So I will pass that. Win, loss, draw, display. Okay. We've already shown that. Okay, so now I need to check for single mode. So I'll just go and resign. Alright, single player. Okay, so that comes up. Oh, okay, it's not initialized. I'll click a random mode, make a move. Okay, well, a single player game does initialize, so I'll pass that. I'll pass that because I can choose a mode from the menu. Okay, let's do this one. So clearly this isn't true because, well, the bot's making illegal moves. So it's not actually making moves. Let's say I make a move. Okay, so it's making illegal moves for some reason, so to fail this one, because it's not actually making moves. So where is the error? Okay, so it must be in the minimax somewhere. Okay. Well, it's something to do with the move it's making. So this is the main algorithm, find best move. So this looks alright. Okay, I'll check who's it playing for. Okay, is white to move? That's right. If eval's greater than best eval, that's true. Not white to move. Eval's okay. Well, black wants the eval to be as low as possible because that benefits black. So I must have to change this. Okay, so I'll check if it works now. Okay, so it's now making moves. Okay, I'll want to check for. Wait, should I just? Yep. Okay, so I fixed it because it now improves its position. So this, I think I'm gonna fix that now because it does make a move that improves its position because now it's up a queen. Okay, AI difficulty selection. So depth 1. Okay, so I'll check, verify the depth. So if I go into the minimax function, it should only, I think it's black. It shouldn't check for on easy mode. Okay. So it's at a depth of 1. So okay, so this code never runs because it's only a depth of 1. But let's say if I go on medium mode, yeah, this does run. Search depth 3. Okay. So I'll just check the first core of minimax, what depth it's on. Single player easy. Okay. Depth equals 1. Okay. Now if I put it on medium, depth equals 2, as you can see here. And if I put it on hard, depth equals 3. Okay. So we can pass that. Okay, so I'll check if the AI makes a decision in less than a minute. So if I go, okay, yep, makes moves, less than a minute. So I can pass that. Okay, so I'll check if pruning actually occurs, so I'll breakpoint the code. Actually, I'll just go into here, and then, wait, I want to check if it breaks. Okay. which I think on a depth of 2 it only checks for it can't break if it's only the depth is only 1. So I'll have to check for this one. Yeah, so it does break. The reason it didn't break for the first one because it only evaluates whites move on like end nodes, so there's no pruning to occur on an end node, but it does prune on the black moves because there's many branches stemming from black moves. So we'll pass that. Okay, so I'll check whether the Quinston search is ever actually called. So I can just check here, just see if this is ever run. Yeah, okay, so you can see that it's instantly called. So move ordering. Okay, so I'll check for the pieces or order the moves. Moves. Oh, okay, so here, so if I go through the moves, so the first move is a pawn move, second move is a pawn move, and if I go to the bottom, like the last move is like a rook move, so it orders the moves in order that I'd want them to be seen. With like low value pieces checked for first, and then higher value pieces checked last, because low value piece, if it is, they're more likely to be good moves. Okay, so I'll check for the depth. So where's the find best move function? So here the depth is 4. I'll just see if that is ever run. So I'll just make. Oh, I need to trade all my pieces. I captured my knight. Let's try and capture as many pieces as I can. I don't want to hang too many pieces. Okay. Let's capture the knight. And try and capture this queen. Okay, I'll just take that. Oh, okay, I can win the queen. need to get the material count down to less than 25. Oh, that was a good move. Okay, that was really small actually. I thought I forked the rook and the bishop, but it gives me a in-between check and then saves the bishop. Okay, well I can force a rook trade. Okay, now okay. So I just don't hang everything. Okay, so now it's running a depth of 4. You can see, just remove that. Now it takes longer to make moves because the depth is at 4. So I can, might take a while actually, so I'll just, yeah, so it makes moves. So I can pass that test because the code is run, and when there were less pieces on the board. Okay, well that's clearly passed. Okay, I'll check whether there's no lag. That can be seen when I move pieces and stuff. It's just, it doesn't matter if I make it in single player or multiplayer. But so you can see it sticks to my piece. It's quite smooth. So um, yeah, I can pass that. I'll check for the game over sound effect. So let's purposely hang checkmate. Yeah, you can hear the game over sound effect. Pawn promotion. So I'll check if you can actually promote pawns. So I'll just get myself in a position where I can promote. Sugar. I need to hang the bishop. Okay, so I can select. So let's select queen, and then I can that's checkmate. So I'll just select a different piece as well. Just select a knight. So they capture the knight, or I can move like a knight. Okay. So that is it for my testing.